Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd make a quick video on what's going to be the next project on this channel. I've showed you the 68 C10. It's an ongoing build. I found this, it's a rolling chassis. It's a 4-cylinder 5-speed truck. Needs a few things. The motor that was in it blew up. The owner, the guy that owned it, sold me another motor with it, but none of that's going to be used. I'm going to put a V8 in this one, I think. I had a 83 model extra cab that I had lowered airbags and all that stuff, big stereo back in the day, and if I can find a picture of it, I'm sure I can, I will throw it up right here. Okay, well that was that. So this one's going to be a little different. That other one was a 2.8 V6 automatic. Well, this one's still going to be an automatic, but I want to put a V8. I don't know what V8 I'm going to use yet. 305, 350, 327. I got a 283. You know, LS might be a possibility. I don't know. The sky's the limit. I found this thing and I figured while the getting was good, I thought I'd just grab it. Been wanting to do it for a while. It'll be a while before I actually get to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on 4 steel wheels with just some kind of tires, matching tires on it, just so I can roll it around. It's still got the 5-speed in it. I'm gonna pull all that out, get the truck where it can move. All the windows are in it and intact, so let's be parked outside. Anyway, just want to give you a quick sneak peek. If any of you has got any done that way, if you don't care, share pictures if you don't care in the comments below. Always looking for ideas. I'll drop it some. I ain't going to put it on the ground. Done all that back in those days, so this one's going to be a little different. Anyway, that's the next project coming up on the channel after the 68. I may piddle with this one just a little bit somewhere along the lines, but the 68, check out the videos on it. If that kind of stuff interests you, we do the rest of the channel. We do cooking, grilling, antique lawn tractors. Just check the whole channel out. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Good day. God bless.